Let's take a scenario. Assume that your friend asks you to bring a plant. So what you have done is you bought this, thinking that okay, one plant is having so many colors of flowers, so you liked it and you brought this one, and you also thought, oh, this is having very bushy leaves, so you bought these two. You gave it to your friend. By saying it, your friend said, I wanted a plant for placing it on my office table, not for outdoor purpose. Oh, what to do now? Your friend's intention was this: place a small plant on the table, succulents like this. So now you cannot argue with your friend, or you can ask your friend to keep that big potted plant on the table. Whose mistake is this? Oh, please, do not start blame game now. What should we think? Is it your friend's mistake that your friend did not tell what is the plant purpose, or you did not ask details such as which type of plant is required? Is it for indoor, outdoor, big plant, or small plant? Whom to blame? So let us stop this story here. Similarly, to design a data model, you need to understand all the stakeholders' needs. You have to design tables and columns in such a way that it suits to business needs of your client or a customer for a given project. So data modeling is not a set of rules like creating a table or creating a database, some steps. It is not like that. It is an approach or a methodology for designing a data model. So as part of this data modeling training, you'll be learning what are various approaches, what are the methodologies, so that you can give, to the possible extent, a good data model to the client